Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use text to speech on TikTok. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is create a new video on TikTok. So for example, I can create a video here. Then you want to continue. Then what you want to do is to add a text to your video. So for example, I am going to type in a random text, and what happens is there's a feature in TikTok where you can enable the text to be read. So I'm going to type in a text, and after that I'm going to write text to speech, and once I do that, next you want to do is to hold on the text.
Yeah, text to speech.
And as you can see, all you have to do is hold on the text and enable text to speech, and it will read your text. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.